Hola, ¿qué tal? Vamos a hablar de dos letras, la letra G y la letra J, y dos sonidos, el sonido G y el sonido J, y las formas de escribir estos sonidos. We're going to talk about two letters, G and J, how to pronounce the sounds G and H, and how to write them. Let's have a look at some examples. If we want to pronounce H, we have to use the J with A, as in jardín, garden, jardín. J and E, or G and E, to pronounce the sound G. Jersey, jumper, gente, people. The J and the I, or a G and an I, to pronounce the sound J. For example, jirafa, giraffe. Gimnasio, gym. We use the letter J and the vowel O to pronounce jo, as in joyas, jewelry, and J and U to pronounce ju, justicia, justice. Now, the use of the J or the G depends on the origin of the word, okay? We're not going to go into that now, but so that you know. Now, let's see. To pronounce the sound G, we use this combination of letters, G-A, Ga, as in gato, cat. Ge and Gi, okay? As you can see, we have a U in the middle there, which isn't pronounced. Guerra, war. Ge, as in guerra. Gi, as in guitarra, guitar. And then the sound G-O, the sound go, G-O, gorra, cap. Gu, guantes, okay? However, if we want to pronounce the U, we have to use the umlaut with the vowels E and I. For example, bilingue, bilingual, bilingue, pingüino, penguin, pingüino. But we don't use the umlaut with the A or the O. For example, agua, water, antiguo, old, antique. Now I want you to practice. Here you have the pictures of the words that we have just spoken about. I want you to practice pronouncing each of these sounds, okay? Okay then, bye-bye.